Oh, back again with another video. We're gonna do this pretty quick. You guys already know every time we do a video, it's because we're working on an exciting project. You know, if we wrapped your car and we do a video, don't take it like we don't want to make videos or whatever. It's just we have a little bit of time right now, so I like to take advantage of the time. You know, make videos, post them on TikTok, YouTube, whatever. But anyways, I want to show you guys the car that we just currently wrapped. As you guys can see right there, Purple Lavender by Tinybot is an amazing color. It looks like a pastel color. Anyways, appreciate it for Tinybot again for providing some pretty sick vinyl. So customer wanted hood, roof, trunk, bottom of the trunk wrapped in gloss black. She also mentioned if we do a full kit on it. I said of course. We put a gloss front lip. We also did the side skirts that we manufacture, the rear spats, gloss black diffuser. Also, we added a blacked out edition and gloss of the other the Wickerbill that we manufacture as well. But yeah, let me show you guys a little closer view, and you guys let me know how you guys like it. Yo, check this out. Shoo.